This video is going to show you how easy it is to build top. If you're actually building top, you should check out the longer video that goes over some of the gotchas. Its link should be in the description. First, we're going to put together the piston. We'll add some glue to the end of the standoff. Then we'll hammer the standoff into the piston. Next, we'll prep the motor. Start by unscrewing the bottom. Then swap the gear on the top. Then put the screws back in. Now we'll prep the lead screw, put some glue on the bottom, then screw that into the gear. Now we're going to assemble the pump. Put the board onto the gear, then rewind the piston. Then we'll snap it into the case. Then we insert the battery. Then we click Settings, Pump, Connect to New Pump. Click I'm disconnected. It'll run some self-tests. And then you're done. And that's how easy it is to build your own Bluetooth insulin pump that, when combined with the Other Pancreas, lets you automate away all of those pesky little decisions that you have to make every single day. Being a diabetic shouldn't be hard, and as it turns out, it's not hard for computers. So if you're interested in learning more, go to theotherpancreas.org or send us a message on Facebook, and hope you enjoyed.